In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a slider using JavaScript animation. I will show you the what I'm going to do. As you can see here, there is a slider animation happening just below your menu navigation bar. We're going to have programmed this. First step is you would go to this URL here and copy the codes from here and then make a file called banner.js. Similarly, take the codes from here and then create a file called banner.css. As you can see, I've created a simple one-page template. As I told you earlier, I'm going to put the header banner right below my menu here. I've already have the sliders cropped to 920 pixels width to 440 pixels height. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. I've called them slider 1, slider 2, slider 3 and slider 4.jpg. You will have to copy these codes from here and then work on your index.html. As you can see, as I told you earlier, I'm going to put the codes right below my menu navigation bar. So these are the codes and these are the slider names which is parked in my images folder. They are all going to animate with between each slider. It's going to take about 2 seconds, and as I told you earlier, they are of 920 pixels width and 440 pixels height. You can also redirect each of these sliders when clicking on them to a HTML page. Since I've created a single page template, I will redirect each of them to my index.html. Fine. One last thing you will want to do is at the header tag, you will have to copy these scripts here. Basically, I'll be calling for my banner.css and my banner.js. Once you do this, save this file and FTP it. Okay. Now that the index.html is being uploaded, you will also have to upload your banner.css and your banner.js to your root directory. As you can see, you have the banner.css, the banner.js. These are your scripts, and then the HTML index.html. You will also have your 4 images: slider 1, slider 2, slider 3, and slider 4 in your images directory. Now let's go and refresh this page. You will see this JavaScript animation happening right below your menu navigation bar. There's 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are all happening with a 2-second duration between each slider. Well, you now know how to create a slider using JavaScript animation. You can also go to our website. This is our website, entheosweb.com. As you can see our logo here, you can go to the search bar and search for video tutorials, and you will find our tutorials where I have explained a detailed step-by-step tutorial. You will find it in this place. Fine. Now you know how to create a slider using JavaScript animation. Thanks for watching this video.